Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Picsart and selecting your image. Pick the crop ratio that matches the platform. Once done, make a duplicate layer so you can always revert. Next, go into Adjust and nudge exposure, contrast, and saturation in small increments, about 5–10%, because big jumps break skin tones and highlights. Make sure to zoom in and check edges. This prevents accidental clipping when you later apply filters or heal spots. Now refine using tools and layers. Add an effects layer and reduce intensity to around 20–40% so the look remains natural. Then create masks and use the brush plus eraser to apply edits selectively. For example, brighten eyes without affecting skin. When removing blemishes, use heal or clone and sample nearby texture to keep patterns consistent. Once you're satisfied, group related layers. This keeps adjustments organized and makes final tweaks easier. Finish by applying final global adjustments, a light sharpen of 10–20% and noise reduction only if necessary, because overdoing either creates artifacts. Once satisfied, export as PNG for transparency or JPG at high quality. Confirm dimensions and file size for your destination. If something goes wrong, undo the last layer, reset the effect intensity, or restore from the duplicate layer you made at the start. That duplicate is your safety net and saves time when fixes are needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.